Overnight facial magic, the wonders of glycerin.
Hello, beautiful people. Today, we are going to talk about a secret ingredient that can work magic on your skin overnight. You might already have it in your cupboard, glycerin. Yes, you heard it right. It's a humble yet powerful substance that can transform your skin while you sleep.
What is glycerin?
Glycerin, also known as glycerol, is a simple polyol compound. It's a colorless, odorless, viscous liquid that is sweet-tasting and non-toxic. Glycerin is often found in beauty products due to its excellent moisturizing properties. It's also used in food industry and pharmaceutical formulations.
Why should you use glycerin on your face overnight?
The skin undergoes a process of renewal and repair during sleep. Using glycerin overnight can boost this process. Let's dive into some of the main benefits of using glycerin on your face overnight. 1. Intense moisturization. Glycerin is a humectant, meaning it attracts moisture. When applied on the skin, it draws water from the environment and the deeper layers of the skin, providing intense hydration. 2. Smoothening effect. By filling in the microscopic cracks in the dry skin, glycerin smoothens out your complexion, giving you a soft and youthful appearance. 3. Enhances skin barrier. Glycerin strengthens the skin's natural barrier, protects it from environmental stressors, and reduces evaporation of skin's natural moisture. 4. Promotes skin health. Glycerin can promote skin cell maturation, leading to healthier, more radiant skin. 5. Non-comedogenic. Glycerin doesn't clog pores, making it suitable for all skin types, including those with oily or acne-prone skin.
How to use glycerin on your face overnight?
Using glycerin on your face overnight is a straightforward process. Remember, glycerin is best used in a diluted form. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Cleanse your face properly. Pat it dry. 2. Dilute glycerin with water or rose water. A good ratio to start is 1 part glycerin to 4 parts water. 3. Apply the diluted glycerin on your face using a cotton ball. 4. Leave it overnight and wash your face in the morning. 5. Always follow up with a good sunscreen in the morning, as glycerin may make your skin more sensitive to the sun. That's all, folks. Now you know the secret to healthier, softer, and more radiant skin. It's as simple as applying some diluted glycerin on your face overnight. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing your glowing skin. Remember, skincare is self-care. Stay beautiful, stay confident,